This video shows how to manage and operate the house pool and spa by use of the iAquaLink app that's on the house iPad mini. This video was shot on an iPhone. It looks a little different, but it functions the same way. The app you're looking for is the one that's shown in the upper left on this screen. It's the white one there, and it says iAquaLink. So to start to manage the pool and spa, go ahead and touch that app, and first screen you'll see is this one. It says HH Pool and with a green button on it. If there is no green button on the right there, green light, please contact the owners and we will respond. So touch HH Pool and that takes you into the app, and there are 3 sections or 3 tabs. Look at the bottom there. It's Home, One Touch, and Devices. Home is lit up a little bit more, and that's the first screen you'll always come to. Please note this home screen here, there's nothing you should be touching on this screen. Looks like there's buttons there kind of in the lower half of the screen, but please don't touch those. You'll just be using this as a reference to reference the spa temp, the pool temp, and the air temp at the top, those top 3. Do know that the air temp can run a little bit warmer than reality because the sensor is on the south side of the house, and sometimes it gets hotter with direct sun and retained heat throughout the day and evening. So just know that. So this gives current air temp. The rest is off because nothing's turned on yet. The center bottom where it says One Touch, that's the main section of this app you're going to be managing the pool with. Devices, you'll do a little bit there as well. I'll go into that. So at the bottom here, I'm going to hit One Touch. And you can see there's some choices. All off, spa heat, One Touch 3, pool heat, pool light only, and One Touch 6. The One Touch 3 and One Touch 6 do nothing. Please ignore those. The others I'll be talking about. All off is, as it says, when you're done with a spa heat or any function of anything, you hit that and it will turn it off. Everything off. I'll show you that here in a second. I'm first going to go to the, let's go to spa heat. And if you want to heat the spa, you basically hit the spa heat and it takes you to the front or to the home page back where we were, and you'll see 3 lights are lit there. 3 lights are for spa, and you'll see 2 lights when the pool is heating. It's just the way it's designed. So right now it is starting to kick in the spa, and no, it takes about 30 seconds. Sometimes between if you go from no activity to an activity or switching between a pool heat or a spa heat, because valves are turning and everything's working. It's not instantaneous. So we'll watch this kick in. I do want to mention that if there are set times that you are going to use the pool, please contact the owners. We can actually automate things for you if you have a pattern that you tend to use the spa and pool with. Please read all information that's written on the home directions. There's still more info on there that's not in the video, that's more detailed about how to operate the pool and the spa. So let's see here. Okay, so spa temp there, you saw while I was talking, it did kick in, and it says the spa temp is 82. So that's how you heat the spa, and again, the directions talk about how fast the spa heats and the pool heats depending on the time of year, but read the directions for how fast those heat and to plan accordingly. So I'm going to go back to One Touch, and if I was done heating the spa or the pool or anything else on this screen, I'm just going to go to the top and I'm going to hit All Off. I just touched All Off, and it takes you back to the home screen and everything is off. I'm going back to One Touch to talk about a little bit more. So pool heat, the same thing. You touch that, and I will touch it briefly here, and you see two different lights turn on for pool heat. And in a few seconds or a bit here, the pool temp will kick in once it's done cycling through. I'm going back to one touch in the center and all off at the top, and it takes you back and it shows you everything is off in the home screen. I'm going back to one touch, and I'm not going to operate it, but there is pool light only. If you touch that, it'll turn on the pool light from this spot. The last section is devices on the far right. I'll cover a couple things there. These are add-ons to the One Touch. Couple things you can do. The top is the air blower, and if you hit the far right, I'll just do it for a second here. Excuse me. The green light comes on, and the air blower, which is the spa jets, will kick in. And I'm going to turn them off and hit the green, and it slides over. Pool lights, you can turn that on from the One Touch, as you saw previously. If you touch this pool light, I'm not going to do it, but I'll touch it quickly here. If you touch that, there's a bunch of different color options. You touch one and it kicks in. At the top there, it says all lights off. That's how you turn the lights off. If you pick a color option near the top of this list, it'll kick in faster than if you pick one towards the bottom. The pool, the way it's designed in this app, is it cycles through each of these color choices until it hits the one you've picked. The ones at the bottom will take longer. I'm going to hit the X to get out of this, upper left. And water feature, the last one there, we turn that on. That will turn the 3 water fountains on at the back of the pool. I hope this has helped. And again, please read the directions in addition to this video for more specifics and things that weren't covered in this video.